Number two, this is about the DAG stepping aside to allow for investigations. Only this one. There is an ongoing investigation by APO. And in these investigations, every person whose name will be mentioned is to have played any role that led to the death of the late Alfred Ojwang must record his statement, must show his side. And it is on that basis, I believe, if the DIG is going to be mentioned, then definitely we will read the statements, and I believe it's on that basis that now he can be able to step aside to allow for that completion of that investigation. My submission, Honorable Chair.
Kangara's question? Did you ask a question? Okay, just before you do, I think kindly members, it's already 1:15 midday, and we still have our power. And I'd mentioned that we need to at least have a bit of report ready to be tabled in the House. So let's have another round, starting from the Senior Counsel, Kaluma. We go to Kangara, and our brother, who I think, did you introduce yourself again? Okelo.
Honorable Chair, honorable members, my name is